guys, today we are going to be making chocolate banana bread, chocolate chip banana bread, and this is what we more prepared this time. And so what you'll need is you'll need to get your eggs, 2 eggs, softened butter. We just put it in the microwave for a few seconds, for like 20 seconds or so, 40 seconds maybe.
Okay, so what you're gonna need,
and then you get you get your flour,
sugar, baking powder, baking soda, 4 small mashed potatoes. That's what I'm doing right now.
And your semi-sweet chocolate chips.
And if you're doing chocolate chips,
yeah, we're just doing it because you like it. The only problem with it is that if you're a kid, then you can't always get you're not always allowed to have chocolate chip banana bread as a snack.
So we're going to do half of the chocolate chips. Okay, we're using the smasher. You can also use it for banana bread. What banana bread as we're using in this video.
It's actually most commonly used for bananas.
No, it's most commonly used for mashed potatoes.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Yeah, that would make more sense.
Okay,
that many people
and just mash your bananas. And now you're going to put all your ingredients except chocolate chips. So,
the bowl. No yolks or yolks? Which would you do?
Yolks.
Are you sure? Okay. Thaddeus, what's it in the yolk? It's not good for you, but it tastes good. Well, I like it. My sister hates it.
No, I don't.
You hate the inner of the yolk when it's like hard-boiled eggs.
Oh yeah, when it's hard-boiled eggs, I don't really like it.
We would like to know if there's like this thing that we were thinking about, and it's like where we would make micro videos, and they're basically just like little tutorials about how to do things.
But
and like one of them could be.
There's no way for them to tell us because we don't have comments on.
I guess.
Okay.
Maybe we'll turn them on at some point, and like basically we just want to know. We might ask our friends. Do they want to see? Do they want us to do micro videos like how to separate an egg correctly, how to crack an egg and separate, how to prepare an egg, how to take the yolk out of an egg? Most of this video you're gonna see, and it's a pretty simple video. It might not seem that simple, but actually the longest part is the cook time.
And we're not gonna show you the cook time.
We'll just show you the finished product, the whole loaf. It makes 1 loaf, by the way.
Yeah, we'll show you how it tastes too.
You want to make them into muffins? Oh, do you want to make them into muffins?
Okay.
Oh, how about we make them into muffins and then fill them with chocolate chips?
Okay, but one second.
That's a great. Let's do it with half of it.
So we're gonna do 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and we put 2 eggs in here.
And our bananas.
Into the 4 mashed potatoes.
I'll get the butter. You softened this too much.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
This is over softened.
It's just a little melty, that's all.
Melty is not a word. Can you open up the trash can, please?
Ew.
Well, it's dripping. You blame me? Oh, I didn't even smell it that much, but it's still. Okay.
Okay, right. Should I put that whisk? Okay, and Lucas is just.
By the way, do you like the new view? We like it a lot. Because you can see us a lot more, and like even if we're over here, Lauren, if you move the bowl, they can see us over here. See? Because we can like cook over here while we're over here too, which is nice, and you can still see us, and so it's not irritating that we're like off the camera doing stuff. Makes it suspicious, isn't it? Like we're like not helping. Okay.
No, it's not.
Yeah, no, adults help us. Well, they might help us actually we haven't done this yet, but maybe later on they'll help us like get the ingredients out. But they'll not be in the video, and they won't like help us put everything together and cook it and everything. Well, until we're adults. Although, then we couldn't call this channel The Kid Chef's Cook.
Okay, so this whisk, okay, sorry. So now silent for there. Now you're just gonna add all your ingredients. Your 2 1/4 cups flour, your cup sugar, half a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a cup of butter,
And that's like a stick, isn't it?
2 eggs. Yeah.
Yeah, half a cup of butter is just a stick of butter. Your dough. I'm gonna get the pan. I'm gonna grease the pan. Now to grease the pan, you should get your non-stick canola. Well, we have canola oil. Apparently, it's the healthiest or something.
No, it's not.
No, isn't it like the least fatty? I don't know. There's something good about it.
No, there isn't.
Then what? Well, they said something.
No, they didn't.
Yeah, no, it's about that. See, it's the comparison. Okay. And apparently it's one of the best. I don't know. At least I want to have it. So now you grease your.
And I just added a cup of sugar. It may not look like it, but I added 3 of the 3rd cups on because I just grabbed the 3rd cup for some reason.
This is a lot easier if you have 2 people. If you're wondering why we're so quick at it. Okay, so you have that gone. I'll put stuff away.
And honestly,
This is a good time if you have 2 people for the other person to start putting stuff away while the other one mixes. This isn't a very messy thing, surprisingly, but well, unless you like all bananas get away. No, just kidding. No, like you drop them or something. I don't know. Oh, Lauren.
okay, now I'm gonna put in 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Oh, the teaspoon is right here. Where's the teaspoon? Did you put the teaspoon away?
Yeah.
Just use this one.
Yes, you heard that right. We do have multiple teaspoons. I don't know why. Yeah, why do we have those 2 different things? They're
I
like
don't
the same
know.
sizes. I think that one might have more variety than this one.
No, it doesn't. It's exactly the same.
This one only has 3. Oh, but it also comes with the cups and things, right?
I think so.
Yeah, I think it did. Or that came with the cups. I don't know. Although it makes sense. There's more circular.
Hey, I'm just adding our ingredients one at a time and then mixing.
So that's kind of the video mostly, actually. This is not a very hard video, and it isn't very hard to do. It just really the cooking time. How long does it take to cook? Dude, if
like 20 minutes, sort of.
dude, if you just wanted to, you were going to have lunch and you were going to go on a picnic. If you just made this about like 20 minutes in advance, I guess, you could just pack this and take it along on your picnic.
Or if you're traveling somewhere, if you're just getting together with
Although, I
family.
don't know how much you want to bring these places. Apparently, we should keep the top really dry so that the flour doesn't react with the water on the cap. Thank you, Lauren.
What?
Thank you for making this thing so bad and dirty.
Okay, you may see that I'm working really hard to mix this batter because it's kind of thick. So you can use a stand mixer or just a hand mixer on medium speed. But we're just doing it by hand. But it's a workout. Like, a lot.
We don't have much else to do today. If you're wondering, we made this on, it's tomorrow.
It's the 24th
Because
today.
it's Thanksgiving break.
In 2 days, it's Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got all our ingredients well incorporated.
I guess this is like Thanksgiving banana bread.
We were gonna make like little turkey cupcakes. That does not mean it has turkey in them.
And that also doesn't mean that we're not gonna make them, but
We might.
we might. We just don't have quite enough. Actually, we probably did have time. Never mind. And now just for your. Is it only half one? Yeah, that's a half cup. Those cups are just annoying. If you're wondering, I don't like them that much.
Why?
Because they're weird.
They're exactly the same.
Yeah, but they're like that weird color, and you can't see this thing very well.
Okay,
You can just
you're gonna add.
metal cups. They're like a strange shape. There's one. Okay.
Now you're gonna add a cup of chocolate chips once all your ingredients except chocolate chips are incorporated.
This looks basically dry. Almost completely. It will evaporate before I can do anything. Any harm. I think. Nope. No. Drips. From what I've been doing for the past few minutes, I've been trying this. It's really a pain. Okay. You really don't want it to get wet.
I thought you said you were gonna grease the pan.
Oh, I already did.
Where?
Right there.
Okay. We're using the thing we used in our.
It's a 9x9.
It's a 9x9 circular pan. You can use any 9x9 pan.
9x9 inch, not 9x9 feet, not 9x9.
Well, there's no baking pan. It's 9x9 feet.
I don't know. But you could get one. It might be hard. And it would be something like really big, like a giant pizza.
Okay.
Although I don't know any pizza that would be that big.
Now I'm just gonna.
Maybe if you were like cooking multiple things and you had a really big oven, like at a restaurant. I don't know. Okay. Wow, this view is great. Like you can see it's everywhere. Now it isn't quite as direct, but I think it's better.
Okay, I'm just gonna. Can you hold this and I'll take it out?
I'm on chocolate chip. What?
Can you hold this?
What are the chances I got a double?
Oh no.
What?
I see a part that's not mixed all the way. I had one job.
And you failed.
No, it was just not really mixed all the way. Sorry if you can't really see me.
Yeah, sorry.
Lucas, can you please help?
Yeah, I'm putting stuff away, actually.
But like, this is a lot harder.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is. I wish we had comments on. We don't have comments on.
Well, I wish we had more people to help. Maybe we will at some point. Maybe if COVID ends, we could call over some friends.
Well, while you're watching this,
it's
COVID might be end.
In any way, so at some point, if COVID ends, we might invite some friends because I can introduce you to them and stuff. But, well, if they want to come, but
can you help?
And
so basically, incorporate this at an oven at 350, and put this in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes, and check on it. And it may not be done. You should probably, if it's not done, put it in for another 5 minutes.
And that's about it. And if it's not even done then put it in for another 5 minutes until.
Lucas, you just dropped
Well, it's hard
it.
to hold this and talk at the same time. We'll try to not argue as much. Okay. They should make a good banana bread.
Lucas, of course it'll make a good banana bread.
Yes, all our recipes are good.
Okay, we'll be back once this is done in the oven. And
Oh, sorry about the stuffed cookie thing. I know that the thumbnail doesn't look good, but they taste good.
They taste extremely good. And we'll be back once this is cooked, and we'll tell you how it tastes. Guys, welcome back. We're not going to show it on camera because we're thinking the video might get a little too long, and we won't be able to post it. So it tastes super good. But we are just going to show a picture of it on the thumbnail, and I hope you like this video. Bye!